Chromo, guaranteed safe data storage, proven high speed. Hey everyone, welcome back to Dezco Morgan. If you're looking for a super fast, secure, and efficient data storage solution, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into Chromo, guaranteed safe data storage and proven high speed. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started. All right, first things first. What exactly is Chrome-O? Well, Chrome-O is a cutting-edge cloud storage solution designed for speed, security, and seamless integration. Unlike traditional storage platforms, Chrome-O leverages advanced encryption, AI-powered file management, and high-speed data transfer to give you an unmatched experience. So, whether you're a student, a business professional, or a content creator like me, Chrome-O has something for you. Now let's talk about security. Your data is precious, and Chrome-O ensures that it stays safe with end-to-end encryption, multi-layered authentication, and real-time security monitoring. That means no one, not hackers, not prying eyes, can access your files except you. And guess what? Chrome-O also comes with automatic backups and ransomware protection, so you never have to worry about losing your important files. especially when you're dealing with large files or working on multiple projects. Chrome O offers lightning fast upload and download speeds, thanks to its advanced compression algorithms and optimized cloud servers. Whether you're uploading 4K videos, downloading high resolution images, or sharing big documents, Chrome O ensures that everything happens blazing fast. All right, now let's get practical. Here's how you can start using Chrome O in just a few simple steps. 1. Sign up and log in. Head over to the Chrome O website, create an account, and log in. 2. Upload files. Drag and drop your files or use the upload button. It's that simple. 3. Organize and share. You can categorize your files, share them with a single click, and even set access permissions. 4. Access from anywhere. Whether you're on a laptop, phone, or tablet, Chrome O syncs across all your devices. Super easy, right? So why should you choose Chrome O over other storage solutions? Let's break it down. Top-notch security with encrypted storage, insanely fast upload and download speeds, user-friendly interface for seamless navigation, cross-platform access, use it anywhere, anytime, affordable pricing plans with flexible storage options. It's a no-brainer, right? And that's a wrap. Chrome O is truly a game changer when it comes to secure and high-speed data storage. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Dezco Morgan, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your go-to cloud storage service? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome.